Good morning. Welcome to this online class. I am Revati, LT Guide. We are going to see the following contents in our today's session. The contents are: what is signaling, where it is used and how, types, semaphore, Morse, significance of signaling, procedure, Morse by mouse method and assignments. What is signaling? Generally, if you want to talk with your friends without knowing to others, you use some signal by action that will be understood by your friends. So, you are communicating with action. Yes, signaling is a way of communication. A person conveys information by means of a gesture, action and sound. The word signaling comes from the Latin word mark or sign. Where it is used and how. You would have seen in traffic, by using different colors, the signal lights are there. Example, red, yellow and green. In order to control the traffic, these colors used. Then in the army, they use for communication purpose. Then in olden days, they used to communicate by lighting a fire, drum and some other methods. For example, you would have seen in movies also, if they want to pass the information, they will tie the information in dove and the dove will pass the information. Or else a man take the information and go by horses and he will pass the information. So various methods they use to signal. Types of signaling: semaphore and Morse. Semaphore. Generally, semaphore is used by using flags in two colors, red and yellow or black and white. But nowadays it is not in use. Only in railways they are using. It is used in Navy as well as in the railways. This semaphore is invented by Joseph James Stevens in 1840. For each and every alphabetic letter, there is a sign code. You can see in this picture. In order to show the letter A, 45 degree, for B, right angle, for C and for D likewise. But it is not in use, so I am not explaining in detail this. Let us move on to the Morse code. The code word of the Morse is dot and dash. Morse code introduced in 1837 by an American, Dr. Samuel Morse. In 1890, it is used for radio communication. Telegraph operators used Morse code to send messages around the world. Sailors used both Morse and semaphore to pass messages between ships. You can see here a person using the Morse code. While using Morse code, we need 4 members. 2 from the sender side and 2 persons from the receiver side. Significance of signaling. The value of signaling is an aid to character training. Morse is a matter of rhythm and timing. The letters in the system are formed by what are termed as dots and dashes. The difference between a dot and dash being a matter of the time interval. Now you can see the Morse code for the alphabets as well as for the numbers. Now I said da and dash. While pronouncing, the dot is used as did and for dash is da. Now for A, we have to use did da. For B, da did. For C, da did. For D, da did. E, did. For F, did da did. For G, da did. For H, did. For I, did. For J, did da. For K, da did da. For L, did da did. For M, da. N, da did. O, da. For P, did da did. For Q, da did da. For R, did da did. For S, did. For T, da. For U, did da. For V, did da. For W, did da. For X, da did da. For Y, da did da. For Z, da did. Like the same way for the numbers also. Now for numbers, you can easily remember for 1 dot, and the remaining 5 letters will come. For 1 dot and remaining 4 will be the da. For 2 did and 3 da. For 3 did, 2 da. For 4 did and 1 da. Like the same way. Now I will sing. 1 did da. For 2 did da. 3 did da. 4 did da. 5 did. From 6 it is opposite. Da did. For 7 da did. For 8 da did. 9 da did. For 0 da. I think you can understand this. In order to remember easily, there are different methods also there. We will see it later. Now, significance of signaling. The dash is always 3 times the length of the dot. It is most important that the correct interval of time should be allowed at the end of each letter before the next is commenced, namely an interval equivalent to 1 dash. Before learning the Morse alphabet, it is essential to learn the correct method of sending dots and dashes. There are various methods for learning Morse alphabets. Here, in example, I have given 2 methods. The first one is dots and dashes, that is by using did and da. And opposites, sandwiches, no opposites. The second example by groups. Now let us see the first method. In order to remember easily, first we see the independence. Easy way to remember is ish, tmo. Ish, easy to remember. Instead of fish, you can remove the word f and you can add the word e. Ish. E, did. I, did. Yes, did. H, did. For tmo, T, da. M, da. O, da. Opposites. Opposite to A is N. Opposite to B is V. Opposite to D is U. Opposite of F is L. Opposite of G is W. For Q, Y. Now you see how to count. A, did da. For N, da did. B, da did. For V, did da. For D, da did. For U, did da. F, did da did. For L, did da did. For G, da did. For W, did da. For Q, da da did da. For Y, da did da da. Next, sandwiches. I think you know the meaning of sandwich. Both the sides bread, inside something is stuffed. Like the same way, here both the sides will be the same, center will be different. Now, for K, da did da. Opposite for the K is R. Did da did. P, did da da did. For X, da did da. This is the sandwich. Next, no opposites. It will not join with any other. It is when three letters will be independent. For C, da did da did. For J, did da da da. For Z, da da did did. Now let us move on to the second method. This is the group method. That is 1 unique letters, 2 unique letters, 3 unique letters, 4 unique letters. These are the different methods to remember easily. Now first we see the 1 unique letter. E and T. For E, did. For T, da. 2 unique letters. For A, did da. For N, da did. I, did. For M, da da. 3 unique letters. D, da did. For U, did da. G, da da did. For W, did da da. For K, da did da. For R, did da did. For O, da da da. For S, did. It is a way of opposite also. Now 4 unique letters. B, da did. For V, did da. For C, da did. For F, did da did. For L, did da did. For H, did. For J, did da da. For P, did da did. For X, da did da. For A, da did da. For Y, da did da. For Z, da did. This is a visual method. By seeing this, you can easily understand. For already I said for A, did da. So did da. For B, da did. C, da did. Like this way for numerals also. This is another method. Now, how to use the flag. The first picture shows how to get ready for signaling. And the second one is the ready position. The same picture is used in color here. Now, for did and da, you have to move the flag in 8 shapes. For did, shoulder to shoulder. For da, shoulder to right angle. Now the procedure for to use flag. A scout or guide sending signal by Morse flag should stand comfortably with feet apart and the body leaning little forward. He or she should look straight to his friend and not at its flag. When using the flag movements should be performed freely with the aid of both arms and wrists. To keep the flag unfurled, wave the flag so that the point of the pole describes an elongated figure of 8. Now already I showed this picture. See, move the flag shoulder to shoulder is dot. Moving the flag shoulder to right side, that is right angle 90 degree, is dash. That is did da. In order to ensure a good style, make a note of the following points. The right hand should always be above the left. Have the thumb pointing up the pole. Keep the hands opposite the center of the face, that is hands level with the nose. This is some of the letters to remember easily. That is To call them for signal, you have to use the word VE. The other side, if they are ready, they use the word K, and they will stand in ready position, and it will be answered as A. To end a sentence, that is full stop, they use 3 times A. To end a message, they use the letter AR, and it was answered by R. For alphabetical letters, they use the letter J. To start with a numerical sign, they use the letter T. If the last word is want to erase, they use 8 times dots. If they use 8 times dots, means the last letter should be erased. And this is the measurement of the Morse flag as well as the semaphore flag. Just to know, I mentioned here the semaphore flag measurement also, but it is not in use nowadays. We see the Morse. 3 feet the stick. That is 2 feet will be occupied by the flag and 1 feet to handle. Both the breadth and the length and the breadth will be 2 feet. That is 60 centimeter. The flag should be in white color, in center blue color. Including the blue color only 2 feet. Now, Morse code by Mount method. It is just for fun. The same, what you use for A? Did-da. Yes. Did means small mount. Da means little bit higher mount. B. Da, did. See, da I use bigger mount. For did I use smaller mount. For C, da did. So bigger mount, small mount, big mount and small mount. So this is the mount writing method. Now I hope you all understood. Let us go for the. I hope you all understood. Now we come to the end of the session. I am going to give some assignments. Don't get afraid. Yes. Now you can write the Morse code letters from A to Z. Who invented the Morse code? Yes. Now write your name in Morse code as well as in Mount method also. Now if you are interested and you are well versed in Morse code, you can write your family members' names also by using the Morse code as well as the Mount method. Thank you.
Now let us O. What is the code word for O? Da. Da. For P, did, did. Did, da, did. For Q, da, did, da. Da, did, da. R, did, did. Did, da, did. S, did. Did. For T, da. U, did, da. Did, da. For U, did, da. Did, da. For V, did, da. Did, da. Did, da. Now for W, did, da. Did, da. X, did, da. Did, da. For Y, did, da. Did, da. For Z, did. Did. I hope you all understood. If you have any doubt, you can clarify. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Revati LT Guy. Today's topic, signaling practical session. In the first session, I explained about the Morse code procedure significance. Now let us see the movement of the flag. Now, first I say the procedure. This is the getting ready for signaling, and this is the position. You all know the language. In the previous session I have explained did and da is the language code for the mouse. Now I will say for did. Did means shoulder to shoulder. You have to move the flag in an elongated egg shape. Did da. Once again I will repeat. Did means shoulder to shoulder. Da means shoulder to right angle. Is it clear? Once again I will repeat. Did shoulder to shoulder in an elongated shape. Da shoulder to right angle in an elongated shape. Elongated edge. Now shall we move on to the alphabets? Yes. In the previous session I explained the alphabets from A to Z. What is the language and code words. Now what is for A? Code did and da. Did, da. For B? Yes, very good. Da, did. Da, did. This is for B. For C? Da, did. Da, did, da, did. E? Did. F? Did, da, did. Did, da, did. G? Da, did. Da, did. H? Did. I? Did. For J? Did, da. Did, da. K? Da, did, da. Did, da. L? Did, da, did. Did, da, did. For M? Da. N? Da, did.